Clean & Shine is your one-step solution for cleaning leather, plastic, and vinyl and leaving your interior like new. Clean & Shine is a ready-to-use formula. For safe and effective application, spray Clean & Shine onto your desired applicator pad, towel, or brush, then apply to the desired surface. As with any cleaning solution, we recommend testing in an inconspicuous area before full application. Work the product thoroughly into the surface, and if you desire a more natural look, you can wipe it with a microfiber towel. If not, and you would like a higher gloss, you can just leave the product alone. Clean & Shine can be used on leather or vinyl seats, door cards, and other accents, as well as plastic surfaces such as the dash. This time-saving formula penetrates into the surface to easily clean dirt, grime, and oils, while at the same time leaving a semi-gloss shine behind to give it that freshly cleaned and dressed look. Clean & Shine provides detailers with a quick and easy option for achieving high-end results, making it the perfect solution for professional detailers looking to speed up their workflow, or for the enthusiast wanting to keep their vehicle looking its best. Find out more about Clean & Shine from your local Malco distributor or by visiting malcoautomotive.com.